going to quickly toss it across to Snehi as well and get a summary of how the trading action has been today. We will do that. For the Nifty Bank, of course, the big drag today has been HDFC Bank. Disappointment with regards to the inflows post the MSCI inclusion. Then, of course, there's been an SBI, Tata Steel, ONGC as well paused a little bit today. It was down about 2%. Tata Motors, Bajaj Finance, these have been some of the other big drags in trade. But Snehi, what else have you been spotting?
Well, absolutely. Let's take a look at how the markets have closed today. And, well, at the lowest point of the trading session, like Aisha mentioned, 0.8% cut coming in on Nifty. Sensex too, in tandem with Nifty, almost a 0.9% cut coming over there as well. Broader markets also were falling today. You had the mid-cap also falling in tandem with the Nifty. But the real loser here was the Nifty small-cap index. More than a 1% cut coming in on Nifty small-cap. Let's quickly take a look at what the sectors were doing. And all the sectors have closed the day in the red, with Nifty PSU Bank, Metal Bank, Nifty Auto, Realty being your top losers for the day. Let's talk about some big buzzers in today's session. First up, on the back of earnings, we had numbers coming in from a whole host of companies today. Hindalco slight miss on the revenue front, but otherwise an inline set of numbers coming in. Hindalco 1.5% lower almost. You had IRCTC. The PAT was up 32.5% year on year. A decent set of numbers coming in from IRCTC this time, but the stock has ended with a minute cut. SAMIL also numbers came out today. You had Easy Trip Planner. The PAT was up 25% on a year on year basis. 3% cut coming in for SAMIL. Easy Trip, however, managing to buck the trend. 1.5% higher is where Easy Trip has closed. Gujarat Fluoro revenue was almost up 4% sequentially as well. Dilip Bilcon also, PAT was up 13.6%. So let's just see how those stocks have done in today's trade. Both of them ending the day in the red as well. Now, the big loser of today was Aarti Industries. Of course, the management withdrew their EBITDA guidance and big cuts came in for Aarti Industries all throughout the day. 15.5% lower is where that stock has ended for the day. Senco Gold, however, on the flip side, strong set of Q1 numbers came in from the company. So that stock held up pretty well. Almost 4.5% higher is where Senco Gold is. You had brokerage notes coming in today. Honasa Consumer was the one on brokerage's radar today. Goldman Sachs initiated a buy with a target price of 570. So that stock did pretty well, 3% higher. You also had Signature Global that was on brokerage's radar today. Motilal Oswal initiated a buy rating on that stock, target of 2,000 rupees. That stock also ending the day with a 2% gain coming in. However, weak set of numbers came in for RCF, and that was a stock that did not do well at all in today's trading session. But let's also take a look at some of the other big buzzers today. You had Triveni Turbine, Keynes, Electra Green Tech, Blue Star, Triveni Engineering, ICICI Securities. All of these stocks have ended the day with stellar gains anywhere between 4 and 12%. On the flip side, big losers for today's trading session, Aarti Industries, like I mentioned. DOMS Industries earnings came out today. That stock has ended the day almost with an 8% cut coming in. You have Chambal Fertilizers, Deepak Fertilizers, Hindustan Zinc, as well as Zydus Lifestyle. Big cuts coming in anywhere between 5.5% and 8% on all of these indices as well. But well, yes, that sums up the day for us. Nifty ending the day at the lowest point of the trading session, 0.8% lower at 24,140 is where Nifty has ended the day.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.